This is Neil Schneider for MTBS-TV at CES 2020. I'm always amazed that I'm here for 2020. To my immediate right is Jim Malcolm. He's Chief Marketing Officer for Humaneyes. And I understand you've got a new Views camera with you today. Welcome to the program, Jim.
Oh, thanks. Great to be here. Yeah, what I'm showing here today is the Views XR camera. This is a 360-degree camera. It takes pictures of everything around you because it's got two different cameras on it. But what makes this product a little different, there's a little button in the back. When you push it, it opens up and turns it into a stereo camera for VR 180.
Okay, very cool. So what can you tell us about the resolution? How detailed is it?
Tremendous amount of detail in here. This camera is actually 5.7K of resolution. Now, the advantage of 5K resolution obviously is very high image quality. The disadvantage is a lot of mobile phones have a hard time dealing with that much data. So the other thing that we're talking about here at CES this year is a cloud computing system that allows you to take the data directly from your camera, push it up to the cloud in order to work with it off of your device.
So what I'm gathering is, our mobile devices can be pretty downright powerful, but what I gather is because there's so much information here, you're sending it up to the cloud to do the heavy end processing, and I guess you send the end results back to the user? Is that about right?
So basically, yes. The camera itself, just get to at least common denominator, you can shoot and store directly onto a memory card right in the device itself. If you want to take that data, you can transfer it over to your mobile phone, and there you can access it, you can work on doing some stitching there, you can share it to your Facebook and everything else. However, if you do want to do more with that content or make a lot of different edits or make a lot of different variations of it, you can push that up to the cloud and utilize the benefit of cloud computing in addition to what you're doing on your device.
Okay, good stuff. Now, I'm of course impressed that it's a stereoscopic camera in addition to being a 360 camera. Now, the 360, I take it, is monoscopic, or?
Yeah, so in this form here, it is monoscopic 360. In other words, we only have one lens pointing in each direction. So yes, it does a great job of capturing everything around you. Those are great videos to put onto your mobile device. You can make all kinds of different videos with that, or what we call overcapture. So you can go to something called director's cut, and you can make a traditional 2D video out of a 360 video and really use that easily with your mobile phone, pushing up to Instagram or Facebook or something like that. But the camera really comes to life when you go into 3D, because now you're making content specific for a VR headset.
All right, good stuff. Now, where is the content stored? Is there a mini SD card on this, or does it go to your smartphone? How does it work?
Yep, so the camera itself has a micro SD card in it as well. So there is a slot in there, up to 512 gig. So you can put about 8 hours worth of content recorded inside the device. The camera does have about 1 hour worth of battery life on it. So if you do want to do a long record, for example, I did a time lapse on my flight over here from Austin to Las Vegas, just connect the camera via an external battery bank, and it will stay powered as long as it's connected.
All right, good stuff. Now, once it's in the cloud, can you get it back to your local machine, or do you distribute it from the cloud? How does that work?
So the short answer is yes. If you do want to bring the data back down onto your device, you can certainly do that. However, the advantage is to be able to do any stitching or manipulation you want to do to that video in the cloud, and then basically sideload it into YouTube or Google or Oculus Quest or whatever device you're going to, so you don't have to overburden your mobile lifestyle.
Okay, good stuff. So how much does a camera like this go for? Or maybe I should be more precise. How much does this camera go for?
This particular camera, the Views XR, is available in both black and white, and is just $399.
$399 US. And the cloud, does it come included with the camera?
Yep, so it is included with the camera itself. You set up an account, you can push your content up and start using it immediately.
Are there any monthly fees, anything like that?
Nope, no monthly fees.
All right, good stuff. Well, very exciting stuff. Thank you so much for joining us.
You bet, my pleasure. Enjoy CES.
I will. This is Neil Schneider for MTBS-TV at CES 2020. We will, of course, be back with more. Thank you for watching.